In this exercise, we have to create the following assembly. So this assembly consists of 4 parts. Part 1, which you have to fix to the origin, part 2, part 3, and part 4. And here we have a coordinate system 1 that we have to create. Here we have an angle 150 degrees A between this face here and this face here. And then we have to calculate the center of the mass relative to the coordinate system 1, this one here. In task 2, we have to change the angle to 120 degrees, and then we have to calculate the center of the mass relative to the origin. Let's go with the task 1 first. Let's create a new assembly file. Let's go with origin visible, like this. Now let's insert the part 1 and let's fix the part 1 right to the origin. Now we have to rotate our origin. Let's go like this, because this is the orientation that we're looking for, Y, X, and Z, if you look at the drawing. Now let's insert the part 2. This one. And now we have to create here some relations between the part 1 and the part 2. So first let's go here to the move component and let's choose rotate component. So now let's rotate this part 2, like this. Let's click OK. Now we have to create concentric relation between this hole here and this hole here. And then we have to create coincident relation between this face here and this face here, or this face here and this face here. So let's go to the mate. Let's choose this face here and this face here, like this. Let's click OK. And now we can move this part 2. Now let's define coincident relation between this face and this face here, like this. Let's click OK. Now our part 2 is done. Now let's insert part 3. Let's go to assembly, insert components. Let's go with part 3, like this. Now we have to define concentric relation between this hole here and this hole here. And then we have to define coincident relation between this face and this face, or this face and this face. So let's go to the mate. Let's choose this hole and this hole here. Let's click OK. So now we have concentric relation, like this. Now let's define coincident relation between this face here and this face here, like this. And now if you try to move this assembly, you can see that you can rotate with this assembly like this. Now we have to insert the last part, the part 4. So let's go to insert components. Let's go with the part 4, like this. Now let's go here to assembly. Let's choose rotate component. Now let's rotate this one, like this. Let's click OK. Now we have to define concentric relation between this hole here and this hole here, and between this hole here and this hole here. So let's go to the mate. Let's select this face and this face here, like this. Let's click OK. Now we can move this part, as you can see. Now let's define concentric relation between this hole and this hole. Let's delete this. Let's go with this hole here and this hole here, like this. Let's click OK. And now if you move this part, the 4, you can see how the rest of the parts are moving. In the last step, we have to define angle between this face and this face here. So let's go to the mate. Let's choose an angle here, 150 degrees. Let's select here this face and this face, or this face here, like this. Let's click OK. And now we have to insert a new coordinate system to this vertex here, this one. So let's go to assembly, reference geometry, coordinate system. Let's choose this vertex. Here we have Y, X, and Z, so orientation is good, and we can click OK. Now we have to calculate the center of the mass relative to the coordinate system 1. So let's go to Evaluate step. Let's choose Mass Properties, And let's, instead of default, let's choose coordinate system 1. So the center of mass is -10, 91, -10, 36, and -11. And this is the correct answer. And in the task 2, we have to change the angle from 150 degrees to 120. So let's go to the mates here. Let's go to the angle 1. Let's go here with edit feature. So instead of 150 degrees, let's go with 120 degrees, like this. Now let's just click OK. Now go to mass properties again. And here we have -8, -82, -9.16, and -11. And this is the correct answer.